Our dear parents, school administrators, teachers, classmates, and friends, guests, good morning. First, I want to say a big thank you to our amazing teachers. You're like superheroes, making learning so much fun. Thank you for teaching us our ABCs, helping us count, and being patient when we had a gazillion questions. You made every day an adventure, and we'll miss you so much. To our families, thank you for all the love and support. You cheered for us, helped with our projects, and gave the best hugs when we needed them. You're our biggest fans and we love you. To our classmates and friends, you guys are the best. Thanks for making every day a blast. I'm going to miss our laughter and our games. We had the best time ever, and I'll always remember our kindergarten days with a big smile. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause because we did it. Wag na clap. Lastly, we thank you, our dear God Almighty, for the gift of life, the gift of loving parents, the gift of patient teachers, and the gift of a caring school, the Montessori de Sagrada Familia. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Good day and enjoy the rest of the day.